Buzz bursts Chinu's balloon.
Look, Buzz, Raja, look at my 5 colorful balloons. Oh, Buzz, look what you did. You burst one balloon.
Sorry, Chinu. Look at these. They burst your balloon.
I had 5 balloons. Now I have only 4 balloons.
How? Why?
Because you burst one balloon.
I am so sorry. I did it by mistake.
It's okay now.
So 5 balloons became 4 balloons. Oh! What happened, Meenu?
There were 4 biscuits in this plate. That crow took away one.
Oh no! Now there are only 3 biscuits.
Yes, Buzz. Now there are only 3 biscuits. Here, you can eat 1 biscuit.
Oh, it has become 2 now.
Yes, it has become less. When you take away, it becomes less.
Meenu, you also eat 1 biscuit. There is only 1 biscuit in this plate now. Hey, this is fun. Shall we play this takeaway game?
Buzz, when we take away a number, it is called subtract.
Subtract? Futa, what is that?
Look, Raja has 5 bones. If I take 1 away, he will have only 4 bones. We can also say 5 minus 1 is equal to 4.
What is this?
It is a sign. It is called minus.
Oh, so we say 5 minus 1 equal to 4.
That's right, Buzz. Look, there are some marbles here. Can you count how many?
I can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. There are 7 marbles, Meenu.
That's right. If I take away 3 marbles, how many will be left?
Oh, Buzz, you don't know anything. Just count how many are left.
Now I know. Chinu, 1, 2, 3, 4. So, 4 marbles are left.
So we can say 7 minus 3 is equal to 4.
That's right. We can also write it like this. 7 minus 3 is equal to 4.
Oh, now I know. I had 4 flowers. I lost 1 flower. So now I have only 3 flowers. I can say it like 4 minus 1 equal to 3.
Buzz, that's very smart. Now you can subtract. Come, let us give grain to the chicks.
Meenu, let me count the chicks. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One is running away. Catch it, catch it.
Oh, Buzz! You did buzz near the chick's ears. That's why it ran away.
There were 5 chicks. Now there are only 4 chicks.
Hey Buzz, we know a chick poem. Let us say the chick poem now. 6 little chicks walking in a line. One does a dive. Now there are only 5. 5 little chicks walking in a line. One runs to the door. Now there are only 4.
4 little chicks walking in a line. One hides behind a tree. Now there are only 3. 3 little chicks walking in a line. One comes to you. Now there are only 2.
2 little chicks walking in a line. One starts to run. Now it is only 1. 1 little chick looking here and there. It runs to its mother. Now it is 0.
Oh, Meenu, Cheenu, that was a lovely poem.
I am hungry now. Let us eat some bananas.
Look, there are 9 bananas. Here, Cheenu, Meenu take a banana. Let me also take one. Buzz, we had 9 bananas and 3 are gone.
3? How 3?
Cheenu ate one, Meenu ate one, and I ate one. So, 3 bananas are gone. Can you tell me how many are left?
I can. Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 bananas are left. So 9 minus 3 equal to 6.
That's right, Buzz. What's that noise? Oh, Raja, what did you do?
He broke a pot. He was running.
That was Grandma's pot. She had 4 pots.
Now there are only 3. It's okay, Raja. You did it by mistake. We will tell Grandma.
It's okay, Raja. I burst one balloon today and you broke a pot. Hee hee.
I am going to play with marbles. Futta, Meenu, do you want to play with me?
Cheenu, you have 5 nice colorful marbles. Can you give me one?
No, Buzz. I want them. I want to play with them.
Buzz, Cheenu has 5 marbles. He is not giving you a marble. So, he has 5 marbles even now. So, if you take away 0 from a number, you have the same number.
I know. I can tell you. 5 minus 0 equal to 5.
That's right, Buzz. 5 minus 0 is equal to 5. 8 minus 0 is equal to 8. 3 minus 0 is equal to 3.
Hey, to subtract is lots of fun. Meenu, shall we do more?
Okay, let us look around and play more. Look, there are 9 birds sitting on that tree. 3 fly away. How many are left?
6 birds are left. So 9 minus 3 equal to 6.
Look at those 5 frogs. 3 jump into the water. How many are left?
2 frogs are left. So 5 minus 3 equal to 2.
Buzz, you have 7 flowers. I take away 3 flowers. How many are left?
4 flowers are left. 7 minus 3 equal to 4. Cheenu, stop, stop. I want my flowers. There is lots of honey inside.
Friends, why don't you also play the takeaway game? It's lots of fun. Come, let us subtract now. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. Five minus 3 is equal to 2. 6 minus 2 is equal to 4. 8 minus 5 is equal to 3. 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. 9 minus 5 is equal to 4. Shall we match the following? 5 minus 3 2. 6 minus 2 4. 7 minus 4 3. 8 minus 3 5 9 minus 2 7 7 minus 1 6 9 minus 0 9 5 minus 3 2 6 minus 2 4 7 minus 4 3 8 minus 3 5 9 minus 2 7 7 minus 1 6 9 minus 0 9 Let us match again. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. 5 minus 0 is equal to 5. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. 9 minus 8 is equal to 1. 6 minus 3 is equal to 3. 7 minus 4 is equal to 3. 7 minus 5 is equal to 2. 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. 5 minus 1 is equal to 4. 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. 8 minus 3 is equal to 5. 5 minus 0 is equal to 5. 5 minus 4 is equal to 1. 9 minus 8 is equal to 1.